Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play your mobile data faster. I am using 3G and the video loading on I'm using 4G and the video loading on YouTube. I tried to play a video again, but the internet my mobile data is slow, so I try to change it from 4G to 3G. This will fix the issue hopefully and play the video normally. So we go to mobile data. So first we go to settings, mobile data, and then mobile data options, then voice and data, and change to 3G. This will speed up your internet, your mobile internet. So we go back to YouTube, reloading the video. And now with 3G, we change to 3G option, so the video will play without interruption. This is how to use your mobile data faster. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.